Okay, today I wanted to do a quick video for those of you that are looking to get hands-on skills in cybersecurity. That's whether if you have a certification or not, doesn't matter. If you're looking for hands-on skill, check out this website I have put up here on the right, rangeforce.com. They have different paths that you can take. Each one of these paths, represent like a certain amount of access. I just want to show you basically the two that I believe that a lot of people will go to. The free community edition, which is what I have pulled up here on this next tab. Here are the courses that you can take, the courses and modules. As you can see from the free community edition, you just have a very few modules. Versus here on the left, I'm using the student discount. You can use a student you can get a student discount, I should say, if you have a .edu email address. I believe it's like $150 a year. So you can definitely tell a vast difference between paid versus this free community edition. So no matter what path that you want to take, whether if you're looking to get into web application security, foundational courses, DevOps, SOC, penetration testing, Internet of Things, security solutions, beta testing, here's what I was talking about right here. So for those of you that are looking to become like a SOC Analyst 1, here's a better path that you can partake on to start that journey. Looking to be a SOC Analyst 2, here's some training that you can take. Looking to do threat hunting, here's a path that you can take. So you definitely have all these paths. Even though this is a paid version and the community edition, which is free, the community edition, it does have some decent modules, but you definitely do not get as much. And I'm saying that to say that I am not sponsored by Rangeforce, nor am I getting paid, nor do I work for them. I just thought this was a really dope concept that they have. So in the community edition over here on the right, here's basically all the modules or courses that you can take. I have not really started yet. I've been busy, so I haven't really started too much, but when I saw this, I was definitely excited about it. So here's all the free community courses you can take. And look at all of this. So yeah, just want to wrap this video up. So for those of you that are looking to get actual hands-on skills that can lead to a job versus, you're getting your certifications, which is a good thing, but this allows you to pair those hands-on skills with those certifications. That way you're not just a paper tiger. So if you got any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Until next.